Hi everyone, welcome to Free Range Diva. I'm part of a collab video today, so if you are new from Renata or Wendy's channel, hi, my name is Cheryl, welcome, and if you'd like to stick around, please subscribe because we have a lot of fun here and I would love it if you were a part of it. Okay, today's video, the three of us got together and decided to do some of our favorite DIY products. These are going to be skincare products. I'm doing a detox body scrub. Wendy is doing a DIY face mask, which I could really use right now. And Renata is doing a DIY bath soak, which really sounds lovely right now. These are two ladies that I consider friends, and if you don't know them, you should. Wendy's channel is all about beauty and luxury and the supplements and things that she uses to really deal with a lot of health challenges that she has. She's got the best nails in the business. So if you want to know how to get your nails looking absolutely gorgeous, definitely, she is the queen of nails and she is the queen of face masks. Renata is based in Dublin, and so she offers a channel that focuses on natural living as well as skincare. She's been doing a blog called Green Life in Dublin for years. It's very popular, and she only recently transitioned over onto YouTube. And so we want to give her a lot of love and support as she's embarking on this new way of sharing her knowledge, which is vast when it comes to natural ingredients and skincare. So I will have both their channels linked below so that you can check them out, and be sure to say hi from me when you do. It's weird. Lately I have been feeling tired. No, not tired so much, just kind of weary, just I don't have the same enthusiasm, maybe a little bit of depression, I don't know, but being able to work with these other two ladies on this video has really done a lot to lift my spirits, and it's helped me come up with something that I am excited about, and I hope you will be too. I've been doing this scrub for years. And I've talked about it before on my channel, but I went back over my old videos and I realized I never actually showed you how to make it. So that's what we're going to do today. And I'm really excited to show it to you because, first of all, you only use ingredients that you would normally have in your home. And it's very easy, and it really leaves your skin soft and fresh feeling and detoxed. So enough chit chat. Let me just show you how to do my DIY detox body scrub. This scrub is so gentle, you can use it 1 to 2 times per week. To make it, you'll need sugar, salt, coconut oil, organic raw honey, fresh ginger, and a fresh lime. I'm using a 4-ounce container, but this recipe can be doubled for a larger 8-ounce container. In a 4-ounce container, add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Sugar is a natural humectant that draws moisture from the environment into the skin. It's a natural source of glycolic acid and AHA that encourages cell turnover. Additionally, its texture makes it a great topical exfoliant. Next, add 1/4 cup of the salt. Sea salt is antibacterial and has minerals like sodium, magnesium, and potassium, to name a few. It restores skin's natural pH balance. It detoxifies and exfoliates by removing impurities while promoting blood circulation and new skin growth. This is the base of the scrub, and the coarse texture gives you a coarse scrub. If you use fine sugar and salt, which I usually do, your scrub will have a fine, soft texture. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Besides being a natural humectant, honey is legendary for its antibacterial and antiseptic abilities. It's been used topically for centuries for its antimicrobial and wound healing properties. Next is citrus zest, and I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon of lime zest. Citrus fruits have vitamin C and other antioxidants. Grated raw ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and can help with hyperpigmentation. In an application like this, you don't have to worry about removing the skin. Makes things easier. This is about 1/2 teaspoon. Juice from the half lime going in. Lime juice can lighten the skin, so it's helpful for dark spots, and its astringent properties help bring a more youthful look to the skin. Next, I put in the coconut oil, but apparently I didn't turn on the camera. So add 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil and stir. It's moisturizing, but also reduces inflammation, promotes wound healing, has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Its polyphenols, antioxidants, and fatty acids help protect the skin and improve its appearance. It takes a minute, but eventually it all comes together beautifully, and you're done. And here it is. This will stay fresh in your bathroom for about 3 weeks, but it will stay fresh in the refrigerator for about 3 months, and that's where I keep mine, in the refrigerator. It doesn't separate. The coconut oil will get hard once it gets cold, but it will stay granulized the whole time. It leaves your skin feeling really, really soft and kind of rejuvenated because of all the antioxidants and the other detoxifying ingredients in here, like the citrus, which, by the way, I used lime in here, but if you don't have lime, feel free to use lemon. I just like the way the lime and the ginger smell when they're combined together. But yes, you can use lemon if you don't have limes. And the texture of the sugar was on the coarser side, and I did use coarse sea salt, so the texture here is not going to degrade on you. At least it's never done that with me. The recipe was for this size jar. It's easily double, though, if you want to have a bigger container that you want to put it in, like if there are multiple people that are going to be using this, or you just like to do a lot of scrubs. But this works great on elbows, knees, feet, your hands. It's just a beautiful scrub to use, and very cheap and easy to make. So I'm going to wrap it up there. Please stop over to Wendy's channel. It's called My Life Wendy, if I didn't mention that before, and Renata's channel called Green Life in Dublin, and show them a little love from the Free Range Diva. And if you have a favorite DIY, put it down in the comments below. And if you like DIYs in general, give this video a thumbs up. And again, I invite you to subscribe if you haven't already. So everybody, that's going to wrap it up for this week. Until I see you in my next video, I'm wishing you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. I want you to take good care of yourselves, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye!